How to fix CloudApp not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script you can use to uninstall CloudApp on Mac. 1. Open TextEdit or any other plain text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following code into the editor, #bin/bash. #stop CloudApp processes sudo killall CloudApp sudo killall CloudAppHelper #remove CloudApp components sudo rmrf/applications sudo rmrf/library/application /support /CloudApp sudo rmrf/library/caches com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/library/caches com.crashlytics.data com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/library/caches io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/library/caches io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.crashlytics com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.plist sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.plist sudo rmrf/library/LaunchDaemons com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.updater.plist sudo rmrf/library/log/CloudApp sudo rmrf/library/preferences com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.plist sudo rmrf/library/privileged helper tool com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.helper sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/application /support /CloudApp sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/caches com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/caches com.crashlytics.data com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/caches io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/caches io.fabric.sdk.mac.data com.crashlytics com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/container com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/group /container group.com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/log/CloudApp sudo rmrf/user/$woami /library/preferences com.linebreak.CloudAppMacOSX.plist. Echo CloudApp has been uninstalled. 3. Save the file with the name and the .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_CloudApp.sh, in the directory of your choice. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the cd command. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_CloudApp.sh and pressing enter. 6. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, CloudApp will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.